Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing great. In today's video we are going to discuss about a topic. My first date got awkward at the end. So without any further delay, let's dive into this. This is actually not an email, this is an Instagram message I got. So I kind of organized it in a way of an email so that you people can understand. Alright, see you on the other side. So the email goes, "Hi Jaskaran, hope things are great at your side." Things are great, man, thanks for asking. I want to discuss a very peculiar case with you. I came across your work through one of my friends, hoping you could help me out. I work in a pharmaceutical company in Delhi. I am 27 years old. I met this amazing girl in a friend's party. My friend introduced me to her and we exchanged numbers. I was really attracted to her. That is the whole problem, right? Attractive girls. She also has a job. We talked for a week and I asked her out on a date and she said yes. Well, congratulations for that. I took her for a movie followed by a lunch. I did not plan anything else. I was going out after a long time. That also with such a pretty girl. So the thing about dating is you have to understand is you have to see this as an opportunity to know the reality of the connection you have with that person. You may be very good at texting, messaging, talking over phone, but as and when you meet that person, as and when you are face to face with that person, things can get really awkward because you won't have any topic to discuss. That is the sign of a shy or introvert person, that you just cannot talk face to face. You are amazing at texting. So you have to see the connection which you are feeling on digital platforms. Do you really feel that connection with that person when that person is in front of you, sitting with you, talking to you? Now, for knowing someone, you need to talk to them. And to talk to them, you need to have a space, you need to have silence, you need to have the atmosphere where you can see that person, talk to that person, listen to that person, laugh with that person. How can you do that if you're sitting in a movie hall staring at a screen? You tell me about it. How can a girl possibly know in those 3 hours of movie what you are like? Can you actually need to understand what she is like? So how can you do that when you're sitting in a movie hall or a cafe with loud music or some play where you cannot even talk? You tell me, how would it go? You should think about these things. So I prefer you take a girl out somewhere silent, somewhere nice, a cafe where you can talk, any place which has a vibe, has an aura where you can laugh, you can discuss, you can hear her, rather than sitting like dogs staring at a screen. This date can be your first and the last one. So try to give her a good laughter, try to make her smile, try to give her the best time, give her the taste of what you really are. You're awesome. This is what I feel when I go out on a date with someone. I am awesome. I am way better than any movie at any point of time. Because I am me, I am a person. If you're not at that position, then you should understand this about you, that every one of you watching this video is awesome. You are unique. You are amazing in your own way. Some people already at that position where they realize their capabilities, where they realize that they are awesome in some way or another. Some of them did not realize it. So you will realize it soon enough, and till then, fake it till you make it. Simple. But you are awesome. You are worth knowing about. Way better than any movie or any music. After movie, we were looking for a place to have lunch in CP. Okay, CP is not place, it's a place in Delhi. See, you should have planned things. Nothing is sexier in a man than when he plans dates. Trust me, I have gone through my share of unplanned dates and it doesn't go well. And why did you pick this time slot? You're taking out on a movie and then planning for lunches. See, dates are meant to be an evening thing. Evenings are nice, sunset, romantic, quiet. Do you want your girl to be, get irritated by prickly heat, especially in city like Delhi with such a humidity? Don't sabotage your success with a girl because of atmosphere. You need to think about these things. Lunch dates, they are just friendly dates, they are not romantic. I'll tell you about me. The very first time I went on a date was in CP only. So what I did was, when I had to go out on a date, the day before I actually went to those places where I'm going to take her, just like a rehearsal. Because I don't know, I was just obsessed with making my first date feel very special. It did not go quite that well, but I was happy at least I put my 100% efforts. So this is what you really want to do. A date is not something you take that lightly. You don't plan things, you don't wear something good, you don't know what type of cologne or what type of perfume you should use. You should know about these things. You should actually plan, and if you don't know, it's okay, make extra efforts. If you have to go to a meeting, if you have to go to for a job interview, what do? You plan things, right? I'll take a cab from here, I'll do there, I'll reach half an hour earlier. You have to do these things because these things matter and the other person sees that you are making efforts. After some time, we found a nice cafe and ate and talked. She was very talkative and I loved that about her. She was very excited too. Yes, when a girl is very excited, it kind of helps, it boosts up her confidence. She was outgoing. After lunch, we were just walking around in the park. Which park? Central Park you were walking around? That is not the place you take your first date, dude. I held her hand and she smiled. People who don't know Central Park and don't know what goes on there, you should really go and check it out. I held her hand and she smiled. We were walking down the lane and after 2-3 minutes she set her hand free. After a minute I held it again, but this time it got awkward. Never do that. See, holding hands is romantic, it's awesome, but this is something you have to do it very cleverly. How? You have to take 2 steps forward, 1 step backward, and especially guys do a lot of mistake by just taking steps and they don't pull back. 2 steps forward you already took, you held her hand, it was amazing, she laughed, she smiled, it was the awkwardness weared away. But when she pulled back, you shouldn't let and catch hold her hand again, because if she pulled her hand back, she doesn't want to hold your hand. Not because she doesn't like you, it's just that they are moody. Girls are emotional, they are moody. Sometimes she wants, sometimes she not. She is thinking about something else, she doesn't want to give away that easily. Anything can be the reason, but if she pulled her hand back, let it be. Because after 4-5 minutes or 10 minutes, if she feels like holding your hand again and you're walking, she'll hold it automatically because you have held it once. But if you keep on grabbing her again, it's like, see, you have to treat women like cats. Cats are moody. If a cat wants, she'll sit on your lap. If she doesn't want, she doesn't sit on your lap. Simple. You don't have to, again and again try to do the same thing and she's pulling herself back, because this thing is going to turn her off. So you have to take 2 steps forward, 1 step backward. You don't have to chase her. After 10-15 minutes of walking, we didn't know what to do. She said it's time for her to leave. I wanted to lean down and kiss her but was really scared and accidentally gave her an awkward side hug. Oh man. But it's okay, you know, you are learning these things and it's fine. I have done these stupid things in my life too. If a girl is really, you know, easygoing and she doesn't judge these things, and those are the best ones actually, they become your best friends. So you kind of look at your first date and laugh on these stupid things you did. It sucks, I know, but this is the only reason I told you to avoid going on lunch dates and movie dates. You have to book a date with a girl in the evening. If you plan on kissing her, you have to do it in such a way that there is no public around. Girls don't mind kissing a guy, but they mind public attention, they mind exposure. They don't want to be labeled as some not a nice girl. So you have to keep these things in your mind. I went home and texted her whether she reached home safe or not. This happened 2 days ago. I haven't asked her out again. I am very scared. What if she doesn't like me and says no? What should I do? See, after the first date, you need to give the girl some space and some chance to miss you and think about you and wonder whether you like her or not. Because for girls, it's all about curiosity. And if you don't leave any curiosity to her, if you don't leave any mystery to her, whether you like her or not, let her wonder. I went on a date with this guy, but he didn't ask me out again, and it has been 2 days. Let her wonder that, and there is going to be one boiling point that she just cannot take it anymore. Girls don't take risks. She won't ask you out on a date, but she will text you just to ask what's up, and that is your cue that she's actually now making herself available around inside your radar so that you can ask her out. This is how it really goes with women. After date, don't blow up her phone by sending a million texts and calling her every time she's not picking up your call. You are sending a text, I called you, please call me back. Don't do these stupid things. You don't have to show yourself very needy and desperate, because it's going to turn her off like that. You don't have to be sorry for trying to kiss her. Things got awkward, I know, but you don't have to be sorry for that. It's okay. You don't have to be sorry for anything. Don't do that nonsense. Just chuck it. Keep these things which I told in your mind the next day you go out on a date. If you don't understand it once, watch it 5 times. But it's very important. See, this is a nice girl and I think she actually likes you, and if she goes out on a date with you, you cannot afford to do the same mistake again. Alright, if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe, and see you all next week.